Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am filming a summer home tour in the evening. So this video is a little bit different, but for today's video, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what our house looks like on the inside for summer 2023. Typically, our summer days are very busy. We are always outside doing something, working, chasing the kids around, enjoying meals and cookouts with friends and family, and it's just a very busy time of year with a lot going on. And I feel like sometimes we forget to just relax and sit back and just enjoy simple days. So for today's video, I just wanted to take you guys along my home. This video is very short and sweet, but just wanted to show you what it looks like in the evenings when everyone is settled. The boys are tucked in their beds, everyone has had baths and whatnot. And in the evenings, I just like to sit back and relax as much as I can when I can. So the house was all picked up for the evening and really just ready to kind of close it all down for the day. So this is just a little bit of what I have going on this summer. Just some neutral colors, just some simple, calming decor that I wanted to incorporate into my home this year for summer. And pretty much I do this every single season, but for summer I just kept it really light and fresh and airy. So I hope you guys can sit back, relax, and enjoy the summer home tour. If you guys have any questions about any of the decor in today's video, or simply just any questions about our home in general, leave me a comment down below and I will get back with you. Also, if you have any questions or just want to see full descriptions on how I decorated, why I placed things where I did, and just full decorate with me videos, I do have those linked down below as well in a summer 2023 playlist, so be sure to check that out as well. If you are new to the Simplistic Home, here on my channel I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and I just really enjoy sharing all of those things here on YouTube and also on Instagram as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing today. I would love to have you here in this space, and I just really enjoy these simple days, so I am going to be incorporating more of that into my channel, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed just a simple and peaceful video. I am so ready to just curl up in bed for the evening and just enjoy the rest of the night. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.